Tall, thin Kev. You make really big waves in the water, man. Really big waves, baby. Let's see how big. Alright, welcome back again, folks. Thank you for coming back. Got a unboxing, a major, massive unboxing to do, and I think, it's right here, I think this box, I'm not sure, but according to the addresses and things here, I think it's from the YouTube user by the name of Tall Thin Kev. This guy rock and rolls, man. If this is the box I think it is. I get guitars in the mail nearly every day, or going out every day, in or out, one of the two. Be careful when unpacking. There is more than just a guitar. Alright. Well, I don't often make videos in the middle of the day. It's the middle of the day. It's like 2:42 p.m. right now. I hardly ever make videos at that time of day. But today, got the whole farm to myself, baby. So I figured I'd just get high and make videos. Alright. What did it say? Be careful when unpacking. There is more than just a guitar. Okay. Yeah, I remember him telling me that. But I don't remember what. What more than a guitar. So I'm going to be very careful. Maybe razor blades. And I hope he didn't pack any razor blades in here, man. Now here's something. Whoa! Wow, I'm glad there wasn't another glass bottle on the bottom there, under that. McEwen's Champion, award-winning premium beer. Drink beer. Drink more beer! Buddy, yes sir. That's going to get put to use tonight. Like I say, this is the middle of the day now. Shit, I might drink it today, I don't know. But, you guys are probably more interested in the type of guitar it is, now that you know that it's a guitar. Packed very well. Seems like he told me there was something else packed in here too, besides the beer, maybe. I can't remember, man. All I know for a fact is this. Tall Thin Kev is a true brother, man. Owner's manual. Gibson, it says. Tall Thin Kev is one true brother. And I appreciate you, Tall Thin Kev. Thank you, man, for everything. All your support for this channel. All of the years you have supported this channel. Thanks for your support on Patreon. I think I can probably get... I wonder if there's anything else down in there or not besides paper. Alright, let's just set this over here on the desk. La bench. Don't spill the beer. Put that beer up there. That's going to be good enough. Let me just make sure there's nothing else in here. I think that's it. Yeah. Okay, what I'm going to do is put all of that packing back in this box and get rid of this, and then I see you take the extension on the box there. It worked. Made it halfway around the world. I'm going to put all that packing back in this box and bring you back, and I'm not going to touch this. We're going to look at this together. So I don't know what it is anymore. Well, I got an idea because he told me, but I haven't seen it yet. We'll look at it together, and as soon as I get the packing put back in the box. Hold on. Alright, welcome back, folks. What do you suppose is in the box? It's got an owner's manual here. It says Gibson on the owner's manual. I don't know. I'm not going to look through all of that, but so let's find out what's in the box. Drop him over here. And cut the tape. What did I do with my... I'm going to hurt myself with this. Cut the tape there. Cut the tape there. How y'all been doing, man? I've been fighting eczema and psoriasis. Yeah, I think I'm finally winning. Finally winning. I don't know. It's still too soon to say it's going away, but it's sure taking a sweet time about it. Alright, are you ready? Let's see what's in the box. Oh man, I missed the place. Shit. Alright, I had them all. Hopefully that's all of them. What is in the box? It's a guitar. What kind of guitar, might you ask? There's a whole bunch of goodies in here. The Dorman Zesty Lime and Fiery Chili Peanut Cashew Mix. I can barely see that without my glasses. Wow, just all kind of little surprises in y'all. Okay, I love peanuts, man. I love peanuts, so that's probably going to get well used with the beer. John Bar Finest Old Scotch Whiskey. I don't know if that's what that says or not. I'll hold it up here and maybe you guys can read it. John Bar, it looks like it says. But I'm not sure about that. So, I'm going to lay that up there. Oh, what's this? Pig ears, looks like. Yeah, I remember him telling me about these, I think. Pork rinds, maybe. Pork rinds, I think that's what that is. It's what it looks like. I remember him telling me it was good ones if they didn't go bad by the time they got here, or something like that. Alright, what do we got? What do we got? Get rid of some of the packing here. Good. Yes, sir. We like unboxing guitars. I guess you can already see what this one is. Yeah, man, he left the keys on. Pickups is in there too. Wow, yeah, man. Woo! Boogity ball. Wow, yeah. Check those keys out. Gibson Les Paul Standard, it says. Alright, let me get the camera. Bring you over here. And we'll have a closer look at this. Hold on. And here it is in its majestic beauty. Les Paul, Gibson, Les Paul Standard. Boy, the frets look really nice on this, man. The frets look good. Look at those frets. See what I mean? No wear at all on them. Switch is loose. Boy, that feels like a funky, cheap switch, man. I don't feel like the switch on the other Les Paul Kev sent me. Got pickups in it. I'm sure that's a... oh, man, I can't think. It's too early. I can't think early in the day like this, man. 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Give me some credit. It's maple, but I can't think what I'm trying to say here. It's not a maple body, probably, but a top. You know what I mean? I just can't think, man, this early in the day. Check that out. Well, I'll tell you what. It's fake, guys. It's a Chinese Chibson is what it is. Boy, it's in good shape, though. A little bit of funkness right there. You can't feel that. Can't feel it. Just look up the neck here. Look what a good fit. You know, every one of these Chibsons, like I said in another video, I saved that last one, the black one. Man, I can reach you that guitar. You can play it. And if you was blindfolded and couldn't see it, you would think it was a real Gibson Les Paul. You can't tell the difference, man, in the feel or the sound of it. I guarantee you, I'll bet you any amount of money on any of you out there that want to play that guitar against a real one and see if you can tell them apart. Because I've did it with guys, blindfolded them before, guys that know Les Pauls. And they did not know. They couldn't tell. They said, it sounds like a Les Paul, feels like a Les Paul. It is a Les Paul. I said, no, it's not. It's a fake. Like this one's going to be. Now, I don't know if I can save this one or not. He didn't send any hardware with it. Well, the pickups, I'll have to get, I'll probably put 500K CTS pots in it. And I might have all this stuff here. The stop piece, tailpiece, and the bridge and saddles and all that. I thought I might have all that. It's already got the keys in it. So, but like I say, I don't know if I can make a player out of this or not. Sometimes the neck angle is wrong, or the body's crooked with the neck. You know, they don't line up this center seam up through here. I think you can see that in the camera. Doesn't always line up with the center of the neck, the fretboard. You know, I got to check all that stuff out. The other Les Paul Gibson I was able to save, but like I say, you can't do them all that way, man. They're not all, you know, they're not. You can't save them all. Some of them is so bad with the neck angle off, or the center of the saddles off, or the center of the fretboard off. Some of them are just so bad you can't save them. I mean, you know, you can make them play, sure, but you can't make a real player out of them the way I did that other guitar. I like those colored pickup rings against that. Is that curly maple? What am I trying to think of? I'm sure the body's not made out of it. I'm sure if we take the pickups out and look, that this is a... I can't think, man. It's too early in the friggin' day. It's a top. It's not that kind of wood through and through. It's like covered. I can't think, though. It's too early, man. Wow. Too early in the day for me to be thinking about anything. Anyways, I had the place to myself. I thought, well, yeah, I'm going to unbox that guitar because I really wanted to see what it was. I was thinking that was this guitar. Tall, thin, Kev, you are the man. Thumbs up to you, buddy. You rock and roll, dude. Man, you are a true brother. Thank you so much. I'm going to try to make a player out of this guitar. Show it to you under that light real quick. I think the camera's running, is it? Yeah. Show it to you under that light real quick. There's the headstock, the body, the fretboard. Boy, it's in nice shape, man. The thing's in excellent shape. It is, I mean, A1 shape. I don't see a scratch on the guitar anywhere. I get to look at that and forget to show you. There's the back of it. Keys are a little bit loose. They need tightened up. But you can see, yeah, let me get the light glare in it. And you can see there's no scratches, nothing, man. The thing looks like a brand new guitar. Wow. Yes, sir. I'll check it all out. I probably will do it on video and see if we can make a player out of this the guitar the way we did that black one. Gibsons, you can't always do it. Sometimes you get them, like I said, the neck angle's off, or it's crooked with the saddles and bridge and stuff back there. You cannot always do every Gibson. Most of them you cannot do. So I'll be lucky if I can do this the way I did the other one. But I'm going to try, and I'll get all that on video. I'll show you how to do it if you want to see that. And we got pork rinds, peanuts, what did I say, hot, zesty lime, and fiery chili. Them's going to really be good. And of course, nothing goes good without beer. Beer! Drink more beer. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. We'll get this guitar on the chopping block eventually and start on it. I don't know when. I don't know when. I got backed up on guitars over there. Haven't been filming that stuff because, you know, it slows me way down setting the camera up, moving around different angles, talking, telling what I'm doing and stuff. So I haven't been filming any of it. Just been trying to get those guitars done, get them in the mail, get them back to the owners. And I'm still way behind. Well, I'm 3 months behind is what I am. Anybody that had a booking for, say, May right now, you know, you're set up into August right now. I think I'm getting company. Yeah, there's a vehicle here, so I got to go. Thanks for watching. Watch for this guitar. Watch for more repairs. They're coming. I'm just not going to film all that stuff. Cheers to you. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Tell them. Say, we love you, YouTube chicklets. Ooh. What is it? I love you. Zeke, help us. 3 Woo! 3 stitches. That's where they took the biopsy off my arm. Skin sample. Got to go back today, this very day that you're watching this. I'm going back 2 hours from now, have those removed, and hopefully have some test results back. We'll see. Cue ball wanting outside. Outside! Woo! The boogity ball.